Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the simplest geometry, a single plane or quad with 1x3 divisions to give edge flow. Once created, freeze transforms and delete history so Maya behaves predictably. Make sure the pivot is at the stem end. This helps later when you rotate or instance. Now jump into component mode and select the central edge loop near the base. You will extrude and shape from that loop to form the leaf silhouette. Continue by extruding the selected loop to create the midrib. Use small translations so your shape remains controllable. Once the spine is established, switch to soft selection with a 25 to 40 falloff and pull vertices to introduce organic curvature. This gives you the classic leaf bend. To add thickness, extrude faces along normals with a 0. 0.5 to 0. 2 offset, then merge the cap edges. Make sure normals face outward, and correct any flipped faces before you ving. Finish by adding detail. Either model a subtle vein using edge creases or use a bump/normal map for performance. Once one leaf is complete, use duplicate special or the instancer to scatter leaves along a stem. Vary scale and rotation to avoid repetition. If you encounter shading issues or strange lighting, recalculate normals and unlock UV shells before re-exporting. And if UV seems show, relax the shells and repack. Small UV fixes usually solve visible artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.